Hello and welcome back to New York Outcast. I'm doing a video today about some wooden steel target stands, DIY. Patriot in the Dark did a video recently about some stands he got from Buck Stanley, or some targets I should say he got from Buck Stanley, and referred people to my channel for some stands. So I have a couple DIY stands done up already on my channel. This stand I actually didn't make. I attempted to and somehow lost the video of assembly. So I figured I'd throw this together quick to try to give people an idea of what the stands look like, how they function, rough size, and what would be needed. So just kind of skipping the assembly process. So basically everything with these stands I already had, so I didn't have to purchase any of this stuff. It may be not necessarily cost effective to buy everything I bought to build, to make what I made exactly. You'd have to see what you have available or what your budget is. There is kind of one kicker to this. The rod I'm spinning now here is actually a handrail. It's an old handrail that I just repurposed for this. I did make an asterisk on the page with the diagram to kind of point out that page you may have a slight adjustment, because I do recommend purchasing a wooden dowel instead. It's a lot more affordable. But these stands basically, if you gonna make more than one, they'll sit on top of each other. You could make a couple different dowels for different sets of targets and go back and forth if you'd like. So it's basically what I wanted for my purpose, custom built, and seems to work well. Obviously this could be something that you would leave or take with you to the range, or leave out on your property somewhere or at a range. Alright, I'm not going to focus too much on quantities or cost, just due to, area and the type of stand you want to make. So how many targets you actually plan on attaching, and what size. But this basically is the materials that would be used for it. I also gave an example of the hook that I used, S hook, and how I bent that to attach to the dowel, or handrail in my case, dowel most likely in anybody else's. So hopefully this is somewhat helpful and at least points you in the right direction. Thanks for checking it out.